Namaste, welcome friends. In the last two videos, we are discussing how yoga can help to overcome this situation of pandemic and its impact worldwide. Yes, you understood how to do kriyas, followed by how important to do stretch in the asana part. Now the next most important part is how to keep our respiration strong and how to keep our mind calm. That's where yogic pranayama can make a big difference. Yes, there are plenty of pranayama can help us, but everything we can't do is a limits. But there are a few simple things can be making a huge impact and helps. And three very selected practices we picked. It can be practiced by anyone with the different levels. You can see those different levels situation, how to do that also we explained into these techniques. And these techniques can make a big difference into our respiratory system and our fatigue and our fear. And also remember, majority of people who are facing the COVID, there is terror. It can be easily recovered by regular and consistent practice of these techniques. Yes, the first one, it is called Kapalabhati. Yeah, it's very simple technique which makes the mind calmer, body warmer and increases the oxygen level into the body. But one has to be practiced systematically and according to their limit and many times of the day. Very helpful. It is also a continuation of your Mukha Dhoti, what we discussed in our Kriyas techniques. And followed by is the Bhastrika Pranayama. The other important part in Bhastrika, it is also has a lot of similarities with Kapalabhati, but is totally different. But it gives an amount of warmness to the body and freshness to the mind, and it releases a lot of congestion from the system and helps a lot to emotionally boost you. And continue with Nadi Shuddhi and a great balancing practice, which brings amazing tranquility into your respiration, quietness to the mind, steadiness to the body, and particularly when we lose our confidence, all these three practices boost this highly. Particularly Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama can make an amazing changes into your entire respiratory imbalances. And all the detailed information available in our video, which is in the description box. Please look into that and go through that. In detailed techniques we will explain there, in detailed levels how it should be practiced. And if you found helpful for you, don't hesitate. Please share with the people who need. And it's very simple. Sharing with the others, maybe many people going to be beneficial through that. Okay. Thank you and see you in the next video.